Hello everyone. So today we are going to learn some of the good manners. So what are good manners? Good manners are nothing but it's a way of respecting yourself and others. It makes others feel that your company is comfortable to them. Greet everyone who comes to you with a smile. By this, a friendly relationship is created between you and others. Always use the words like please and may I to request. By using these words, the message will be carried to the other person in a more requesting way and more convincing way. Never hesitate to say sorry. So, whenever you think that there's a part of mistake in you, so never hesitate to say sorry. Never interrupt. Suppose if anyone is speaking, do not interrupt them by coming in between. Always remember that hearing is most important than speaking. Say thank you. Whenever you receive any help from anyone, always remember that you should thank them by saying thank you. Wake up early and perform exercises. So, whenever you wake up early and do exercises, you will be active throughout the day and you can perform a lot of activities with energy. Respect others' opinions. Just because you are right doesn't mean that others are wrong. They must have seen the life in other way. So always respect others' opinions and perspectives. Never make fun of others. Just because you want fun, you should not make others feel sad. You must treat everyone equally and be friendly with everyone. Knock the door before entering the room. So, whenever you want to enter any room, please give a knock, and it is the best manner of entering any room. Respect elders. Respecting elders is a basic manner which everyone must possess. It's our responsibility to take care of them. Never skip meal and take healthy diet. So whenever you skip meal, the whole day you will feel lazy. So by taking healthy diet, you will be active throughout the day. Keep your surroundings neat and clean. By keeping your surroundings neat and clean, all your locality will be clean and you will be away from germs and you will be healthy. Do not discriminate anyone by their physical appearance. Not all may be beautiful outside, it's just a physical appearance. You must be good at your inner heart. At last, I want to conclude that good manners is the way of showing respect.